Wow, it's nimble. Wow, that's got some power.
Cool.
Okay, get brave and take it out in the lake and back. Come on. See what your range is on your radio.
Yeah. Then we'll have to walk all the way around. Ready? Set.
Yep.
Go. Now it's going pretty straight. Yeah, but then it moves. See, it'll like, you won't hold center. Come on. Come on. That's definitely